Hi everyone! Today I'm going to read a book called The Elephant. And we've been talking a lot about titles recently, so since this book is called The Elephant, I think that this book is going to be about elephants. What do you think? Now, since the title of the book is The Elephant, so that must mean that this picture is of an elephant's foot. This elephant's foot is much bigger than yours or mine. The elephant. The elephant has a big head. And whoa, there's a bird resting on the elephant's head. And over here on this picture of the full elephant's body, we can see a label with the word head pointing to the elephant's head. The elephant has big ears. And over here on the picture of the full elephant, we can see that the word head is still pointing to the head, and also that now we have a new label with the word ear pointing to the elephant's ear. Over here, we can also see that first there's a picture of the elephant's ears up close, and over here the picture's further away. So by seeing it close up and then further away, it helps us understand the information of where the elephant's head and ears are. The elephant has a long trunk. And look, we have a new label. Head, ear, and trunk. Now, what's happening with the labels? What do you think? A new label is added to each new part of the body we learned about. Keep in mind how labels can help us learn about a particular topic or image. The elephant has big tusks. And here we can still see that we have another label. We have the word head pointing to a head. We have the word ear pointing to the ears. We have the word trunk pointing to the trunk. And now we have the word tusks pointing to the elephant's tusks. Wow, the tusks are very long. What part of your body is like the elephant's tusks? I think that the tusks are the elephant's teeth. So this would be like your teeth or my teeth. The elephant has big feet. Oh, and I remember on the cover of the book, we saw a similar image. So we were right to think that that was a picture of an elephant's foot. And it is definitely still bigger than your foot or my foot. Here we have a label pointing to the head. Here we have a label pointing to the ear. Here we have a label pointing to the trunk. Here we have a label pointing to the tusks. And here we have a label with 4 different arrows pointing to its feet. And an elephant has 4 feet. The elephant has a big body. Wow, an elephant's body. Look at the elephant next to the car. An elephant's body is much bigger than a car. An elephant must be huge. And here we have a new label. So let's just read the old labels together. Head, pointing to the head. Ear, pointing to the ear. Trunk, pointing to the trunk. Tusk, pointing to the tusks. Feet, pointing to 4 feet. And now our new label says body, and it's pointing to the elephant's body. The elephant has a long tail. Can you find the elephant's tail? Here it is. Now let's see where the new label is. Head, pointing to head. Ear, pointing to the ear. Trunk, pointing to the trunk. Tusks, pointing to the tusks. Feet, 1, 2, 3, 4 feet. Body, pointing to the body. And here's the tail label pointing to the tail. The elephant has a big family. Wow, the elephant does have a big family, much bigger than my family. And here are some fun facts about elephants. An elephant can hear sounds very far away. An elephant can hold things with its trunk. Oh, so a trunk must be like an elephant's arm. Tusks are long teeth, so we were correct. Tusks are an elephant's teeth, and that means that they're similar to our teeth. And then finally, a baby elephant is called a calf. Whoa, those are some fun facts. Here, the elephant's body. An elephant's body is big, and so are all of its parts. That was an interesting book. I definitely learned a lot. What was your favorite part to learn about the elephant? I think my favorite page was reading about the tusks. Let's go back and find it. Tusks. The elephant has big tusks. Its tusks look almost as long as its trunk. Very cool. All right, everyone, I loved reading this book with you, and I can't wait to read another one. Bye.